So for the next level of problems, we will work with two reactants. So far we have gone with, we've done problems in level 1 where we convert from one reactant to a product, or from one product to one reactant. Now we're being given two reactants. Okay, two reactants. And we want to know, given different amount of reactants which are not stoichiometric amounts, how can we decide on which reactant will be limiting reactant and what will be the theoretical yield. First of all, the reaction is H2 plus O2 yields H2O, steam, right? This is not balanced, so we balance this, 2H2 and 2H2O. Okay, so now whenever we have a question like this which is asking for limiting reactant, there are at least two calculations involved. How many ever reactants are there? So many calculations will be involved. So we have two reactants. So we have to do two calculations. So first one is 4.15 moles of hydrogen, and we convert this to moles of steam. So every 2 moles of hydrogen yields 2 moles of steam. And so this will give us 4.15 moles of water or steam. Then we have 7.13 moles of oxygen. Okay, and every 1 mole of oxygen yields 2 moles of steam. So here we end up with 14.3 moles of water. Okay, so once you get this, make sure they both are in either moles or grams. Then you compare the two. The less amount of product, that is the theoretical yield of product, and the reactant that gives us that amount of product will be your limiting reactant. This is a simple version of the problem. This can get more complicated when they give mass or when they give mole and they expect us to convert to mass. So in this case we said what is the theoretical yield of steam, and steam yield is 4.15 mole. Now this they can ask in grams. This can be given in grams, so you should convert grams to moles. So the basic principle is same though. Make sure you do both the calculations and compare the amount of product formed.